Buenas noches, compañeros y tutor. Adjunto aquí mi cédula. Y continúo con la presentación. My name is Xilena Cardozo. My age 24 years old. Status marital single. My degree is UAG Tolima. In my family, we were all 5 little people. My father is Guillermo. My mother is Judith. My sister Joanna. And my sister Tatiana. My dog Lyra. Personate, my prey polite, funny, and sweet, and intelligent. I like listening to music and reading. I dislike reggaeton music. I get up early. I take shower. I go to work in the morning. I go in my house in the afternoon. Good night, teacher. Thank you very much.